I got some really cool shoes that I want to show y'all today. So here's the box that they came in. Let me show y'all what I got. I got these really cute black booties. Let's see. They're packaged very nicely in here, which I like when they have the coverings on them, which is really nice because it protects the shoe. So I got some black booties in my size 7, which is my typical size. And they have gold hardware right here, zipper, really cute pointed toe. They're kind of like a leather or faux leather, I guess you would say. Really nice and sleek. Can't wait to wear these with some black leggings and dresses and jeans this fall and winter. So really cute, chunky heel, which I like, so my feet don't get too tired. Just a really cute heel. So let's go ahead and try these on and we will be right back.